Hey, what's up? My name is Nico. I'm the founder of indexy.dev, and indexy is a service which indexes your pages for you via a webhook. So let me quickly show you how it works. You can come over here, you start logging in. You can log in with GitHub or Magic Link. Just put in your email address, you get a link, and you can log in. And after that, you're gonna go through the onboarding. So let's just add a page. Therefore, we need Google credentials because we're using the Google API, so no sketchy third-party system, straight up Google. So what are we going to do is log into the Google Cloud Console. We have a checklist here, which basically walks you through everything you should do. So you come here and we create a new project or use an existing one if you have one. Let's create a new one. Let's do that. So we have created a project. We are going to select it here. It's being created right now. So now we can select it. Okay, now we see this is checked. We can check this. So now we need those two APIs activated. So click here. Let's make sure we are still on our project. We are. Okay, let's enable this. Then let's enable this one. Let's check on that. All right, that's enabled. Let's enable that. So while this is enabling, we need to create a service account for those APIs, which we can then put into Google Search Console, which handles all the indexing and stuff for us. So I'm just put in a name. I'm gonna go with test again. Just continue. You don't need any permissions, you just create it. Then let's see, let's download our credentials. So keys tab, add key, create new key. Let's go here, add a new key. We are creating a JSON key. Now I've downloaded the key, it's here. And now let's open that up. Let's open with text edit. And don't worry about the key, I'm going to delete this one later. What you want to do here is grab the email address from here. So copy that. And then we can put a check mark here. And then we open our Search Console. So I already did this. This is the Search Console, never mind the German. So click here on Settings and add a new user. You put the email address there, and then you're going to select owner. This is, I don't know why Google needs the owner permissions and not the full permissions, but you need to select owner here. Don't worry, everything what we put into indexy is encrypted at rest. So even if I look at the database, I can't see your credentials or anything. So now we can drop our downloaded credentials here. This is the new indexy, and as you can see, everything is parsed here. Then we validate and continue. And we did this for our Figoka website, so let's add this here, figoka.com, create a new website. Yeah, and now you've got a webhook. So this webhook you would put into your deployment webhook if it was Vercel or Netlify or GitHub Actions or whatever. Just put it there. When your deployment succeeds, then webhook is triggered, and then you will see logs here. I'm going to copy this one here and trigger this via console. So we should see logs here shortly. So as you can see, the webhook has been triggered. So let's wait if we get new submitted URLs. And as you see here, we have published some news articles. So they're showing up here. We don't index anything you have submitted before. So thus avoiding duplicate entries. But if you have changed the page and you want it to be indexed again, you can see it here. Just select it and resubmit for indexing. So thank you for watching this. And if you have any questions, just click the little button here below. And yeah, I'll be happy to help you.